is a contactor used on hybrids and EVs. Its main function is to switch on and off the high voltage. It often breaks. The working principle is the same as a relay on ordinary cars. It controls two things, same here. One of its contacts controls one pin here. Then you'll have conductivity here. This pin is also controlled by the contactor. Here is bridged also. It is easy to meet an issue. You can't close or open. It stays in one state. Another problem we can meet is when these two will be shorted, so there is no way to close the contactor. After a large current passes through it, it won't be able to close anymore. And now we'll teach you how to test it. Let's set our multimeter to conductivity test mode. Now, it is in conductivity mode. Let's see if there are bridges where there shouldn't be. If there is conductivity, then they may be shorted. This is shorted. Here, it is not possible to change the state of the contactor. It is in short regardless of what we do. So this contactor is broken. Another case, we need to give it power to find out this issue. Let's give a bit of power to the contactor. Let's connect power and ground. We'll hear a clicking noise. This contactor has clicked. Let's test it. See, the two pins are not connected. In theory, it should be possible to make the contactor open. We've heard it clicking though, but it is not open. So this one is also broken, but there is no short between these. Okay, let's test another contactor. When switching on and off, we should also measure its resistance. Let's give it power. Value should be between 0 and 2 ohms. It's less than 1 ohm, so one side is okay. If on connection. If the value is above normal, that means there must be some problem. Now let's disconnect, then connect again. If it is like this is a good contactor.